Welcome to Sweet Baby Bee Creativity Time. Today we will be making Love Bug Donuts. Let's get started. Here's what you need to make Love Bug Donuts. Store-bought donuts, candy sprinkles, black decorating icing, candy eyes, canned frosting, any flavor, and red gel coloring. First, take a microwavable bowl and empty your canned frosting into the bowl using a spatula. Next, microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. This will make the frosting smooth and creamy, perfect for dipping donuts. Next, let's add the red gel coloring and mix well. Look at that bright, vibrant red. This color will be perfect for Love Bug Donuts. Now it's time to dip our donut. Take your donut and dip the top into the frosting. Make sure the entire top of your donut is covered. Make sure to shake off any excess frosting. It can get a little messy. Now we're going to use our candy heart sprinkles. Place the hearts along the sides of the donut. My hearts are purple, white, red, and pink, but you can choose any color you like. You can also sprinkle them randomly. Once you are done with the sprinkles, it's time to take the black decorating icing. Squeeze one line on the back of the donut from the top of the hole to the end of the donut, and you're done. Next, we'll make a circle with the frosting on the top of the donut. Once you have the frosting all on the donut, take a lollipop stick and smooth out the frosting. I'm just going to add a few more heart sprinkles to make my Love Bug donut perfect. Next, we're going to add the candy eyes. Simply place the candy eyes on the black frosting. It's as easy as that. Now you've got a cute Love Bug donut for Valentine's Day. Eat and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video and hit that like button. If you make love bug donuts, please tag us on Instagram. We would love to feature you on our channel.